Justin Marks.
Yes.
Justin Marks, look at the camera.
Hello, everybody.
You're on camera.
No.
I've heard recently you decided to shave.
Get some roid rage.
Roid rage.
Roid rage.
See it.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
No.
No?
This is my body, not for the internet's use.
You won't.
I don't want to be like one of those like porn freaks on the computer, you know,
Take it off.
posting their
Justin,
bare
come on.
naked body on the computer. That is just wrong. This is my
Yeah.
body for myself and my love for the future. That
Justin,
is
come
who it's
on.
for.
Let's see it.
No,
Please,
no.
Justin.
I refuse to show my wonderful body to the world. It will only be for one person. And one
I
person
hear you work out a lot. Let's at least see some biceps.
Yes, I do have very
Let's see
no.
those biceps.
Flex.
I have very large biceps, but no, I don't.
Triceps.
Oh, those are big too, but no,
Pecs?
no.
Pecs.
Oh, those are right here.
Yeah. How about the abs? Let's see 'em.
Oh, abs. No. Oh no. Oh, you want to see? Ready? Oh. No. It's only for me.